today we are going to do something a little different. We're gonna do the day in the life of
Turn right onto Eastern Avenue, then your destination will be on the right.
We're gonna do a day in the life of a flipper, and you guys are gonna get to see everything. So exciting. All right, so we missed coffee and first round of Lowe's. What are we doing now?
We are headed to Lowe's for the second time to pick up stuff for a house that we're doing the foundation on. So that is our next stop. So it's a very important stop. Lowe's, Home Depot, Menards, and some mom and pops shops are the best places for flippers to do their jobs. Okay. Hey, when it comes to Lowe's, these guys have taken care of me for the past 6 months. This is Rob and my high school mate, Drake. So I just want to thank Lowe's for everything they've done for me this whole entire time. Thank you, Lowe's. Great team. Thanks.
Just a little window shopping, and we're out of here. So we went to a flipper's favorite place, Lowe's, and then next we made a quick little stop to be sure that Adrian's kiddos have their lunch for the day. And we are back to Lowe's for the third time today. And this time we're picking up concrete. And what you're seeing here is Adrian and his team unloading the concrete. And I think they did it in about a minute and a half. Pretty quick team.
Finito. So as you see, the beginning of a house right here, and then you see what we do to a house that was in a similar situation, and we have actually came in and refurbished this home entirely. So again, you can tell some of our design ideas. You see we put on the double porch, and I'm really, truly proud of this house. And again, this is what you want to do when the house is looking like this. We actually turn it into that.
Back in the truck to catch up on a few phone calls, and then, you guessed it, back to Lowe's again.
Remodeling the property, they wanted some long-term leasers that were on 2-year agreements. All right, what we got right here is one of my favorite toys that Lowe's uses. It's affectionately known as Star Wars, because it's an easy loading tool, and it's very, very, I'm talking about it's very, very good to get stuff on and at a quick pace. So here it is, Star Wars. You'll notice it's different from the other forklifts. It actually has like an arm that extends, so it's pretty cool. Yep, it already broke. Yeah.
Next, we got a friendly reminder that Indiana property taxes were due, so we made a quick stop by the office to take care of that.
Hello, welcome to our new property here in Indianapolis, Indiana. I am the owner and president of CAVEA Investments. If you see right now, you are in a home that was built in the 1920s. And what we have done, it was actually a double, but what we have done is actually turned it into a single family home. Come on in. As you see with this home, we have converted it into basically a 5-bedroom, 4,000 square foot home. And just to give you a little background about CAVEA Investments, the word CAVEA is an old word, an old, an old Greek word. And what a CAVEA was is like, you remember back down when you would watch, if we watch TV and old movies and old Greek movies, well, the CAVEA was where they would be down. So you had a stage down here. The CAVEA was considered where the crowd would sit. And I like the name CAVEA because, you know, back in the old days, hear ye, hear ye. You knew that that person could hear throughout the way it was designed. The stadium was designed that they didn't have microphones. So they built the stadiums designed so that the voices could echo. And the CAVEA was considered where the crowd stands, what we will call the stands right now. And what I liked about the word CAVEA is that it reminded me of when I started this investment company, that I would be able to convey my message to any and everybody about my real estate goals and dreams, and not only help myself and my family out, but those that invested in the company. So what you see is the word CAVEA Investments. And if you look at that word again, it is in honor of my family. My son is named Kyron. My daughter's name's Adrian. Vanita is my lovely wife that passed last year. Emerson is our daughter. And then there's Adrian for me. So CAVEA Investments is how we've gotten here. And of course we are filming this and it's not finished just yet. But in honor of hard work and dedication, I decided that, hey, I'll go ahead and talk about this, even though it's not finished. Because again, in life, most of us are unfinished products, but we are taking our time to get there. And this
So guys, this is where we ended our day. If you'd like to reach out to Adrian and find out more about the projects he's working on, you can reach him at CAVEA red with 2 D's at gmail.com. His website is caveainvestments.com. Instagram is CAVEA red. And all this information I'm going to post as usual in the description section. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I hope that you really enjoyed it, and I will be back as usual next week with another video. Bye.